Hello guys and welcome to a new video. I'm with a mate right now and he might or might not have had a minor little accident. So today we're actually going to fix his car instead of my Celica for once. The car's behind me. I'll show you some footage of the damage in a second. But yeah, also quick note, I haven't been able to upload the last couple of days simply because I've been rather busy, so I'm sorry for that. But yeah, let's get right into it and enjoy the video. Guys, as you can see, we've done a lot of work on it already. We got most of the dents out. We've got some of the damage out already. So all we've got to do now is we've got to fix that fender. We've got to put everything back on, and we're gonna have to find a new headlight. But yeah, we're making progress. So continue back to the video. Alright guys, so we're inside now in his workshop and I'm going to start on fixing this fender because as you can see that's pretty bumped up. So I'm going to fix the fender while one of his mates is going to fix the bumper because that's going to need some stitches, like literally it's going to need stitches. So he's going to fix that up and I'm going to start working on this thing. So yeah. Time lapse probably of me trying to fix it, I guess, and if not, I'll just show after. Right, so my mate wasn't clever, so he did it inside and paint and a burner don't go along that well. So we're going to evacuate for a second, let the smoke clear out, and hopefully start working on it again in a couple of minutes. I was working on that fender. One of his mates actually started working on the bumper, and as you can see, that looks absolutely amazing. I mean, I know not all people would like this, but tuner stitches are pretty cool in my opinion. So yeah, and I think it kind of adds to the car, which at this point looks a bit like my car, except mine doesn't have an engine in it. So I've made some progress with the fender as well. As you can see, it's pretty much straightened out. The line is still in there, which is a good thing. The curve is back in it with a minor, like, yeah, thingy over here, but we'll fix that, And yeah, all the things that are supposed to be straight are straight again. So now it's just a matter of trying to get it in the right shape over here, because this is still a bit bent up. And after that, we'll test fit it back on the vehicle, and hopefully it will fit. So yeah, still a bit of work to do, but we'll fix it. Right guys, so we're going to try and fit it on. So we'll lay that over. Try to make everything fit with one hand, which isn't as handy as it seems, but that's actually getting along quite nice. It should be over there. I think if you board it on, we've got it. Nice. Just dash fitted the fender, and as you can see, it looks actually pretty decent. I mean, it was banged up really badly, and I tried the best I could. I mean, I'm not a professional, but I'm actually quite proud of it. And I mean, it's an old car, and we're probably going to replace it one day, but as long as it's drivable for now, we should be good. So yeah, nice. Also, we're just going to reattach everything back onto the car. The bumper is also ready right now, and we'll be able to see how it looks. And yeah, all we have to do now is we have to fix the broken headlight. We can't replace it right now because it's a Sunday, and yeah, there's nothing open on a Sunday over here. But yeah, we'll try to fix it so that he at least can drive to work tomorrow. So yeah, bear with me. Down below, Ruben is reattaching the bumper with me, and it looks pretty nice, I must say. I mean, it's not nice, but it suits the aesthetic of the car. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put the last bolts in, and then we're going to try to fix the broken tail light, headlight, I mean, beg my pardon, so that we can actually drive it legally without getting a ticket. So, yeah. Fun fact, the paint looks really messed up right now, but Ruben's sister is actually gonna airbrush it and make it look really nice again. So props to her for doing that, and you'll probably see that when it's finished. So no more ugly bald spot, and yeah. Guys, so Ruben's sister is painting the car outside, and I'm working in his shop right now on fixing the broken headlight. What we're going to do is we're going to try to take some clear plastic, we'll draw around the edges of the still intact headlight, and we'll try to make something out of that, because we've got to drive the car tomorrow and you can't do that with just one headlight. So I'm going to get started and hopefully make something out of it, and if not, well, we're screwed. So, wish me luck. Alright guys, as you can see, we've got the basic shape from the headlight down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to section off the blinker, and from there on I'll draw some lines in which way we'll bend it around the headlight so that it actually looks a bit decent. Also, fair disclaimer, this is not how we're going to leave it. It's just a temporary solution until we can get to one of the scrape yards tomorrow and hopefully find an actual headlight, which is not that. So, but yeah, temporary fix. Don't try this at home. But yeah, I mean, you've got to do something, so. Alright, so we got the shape down, and now we just got to attach it, and in good old fashion we're going to do that with tie rips. So yeah, we're going to need another headlight tomorrow, like ASAP. Holy shit. Right, it works. It actually freaking works. Like, this is the most ridiculous thing I've ever done. Like,
for the best now. Take my time, you better pay up in the next style. Throw a rollie with a iced out, touched out. I see when time's out, get my burst out. Fucking time's out. Oh yeah, now you over me. Got no kids, got me daddy of the day.
alright guys, so we're finished for today. Tomorrow we get the new headlight replacement from one of the scrape yards. I'm not sure if we're going to find one, but hopefully we'll find one, because it looks okay, but it's sketchy. So anyways, I'm going to end the video right here. So if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!